You guys, Bodo just came over and brought me this really cool guitar here, Duesenberg. Something between a Fender Strat and a Fender Jaguar, and I just wanna go through the features and you can be part of this experience here. Let's see the pickup settings. Neck pickup, nice single coil sound. I love this tremolo bar, you know, for this. It's really cool. Bridge pickup, let's see how that is on bluesy stuff. Let me switch off the here. I love it. Let's see how it works with a cool backing track. Or again, neck pickup. Really cool, I like it. Especially this, you can do the link rating. Rumble. You can do the surf guitar thing. Let's see, with more distortion. Yeah, that's probably too much, but this is cool. Yeah, cool baby. The color is the same as here, light blue. I love it. Cool. Well, let me know if you own one of those. And if you, what your experience is. I find it pretty cool, and it fits more or less pretty much to my other guitars and feels really handy.